Trying to optimize a CPA based account. So in a CPA based account,
You will start it first.
okay, you're going to start first with what?
Largest, smallest.
Largest. Yeah, everything you will have to do it at the cost of largest and smallest. But why you are doing it at the average portion first? Average portion is something later on which you have to think on
This
it.
is CTC based, right?
This is CPA based campaign.
But his right, that's the
No, this is what it
is.
Okay. See, you have to play first. You have to play with these three important parameters. Okay. After you have played with these three important parameters, then you have to increase or decrease the position based by changing the max CPC. Okay. So first is you have to put a descending order to your conversion first. And I said you clearly how do you do it? First you put a descending order to conversion. The data sort would be something like this: conversion, cost, impression, all in descending order. So first preference is to those keywords which has got conversion. The second preference goes to all those keywords without conversions and only incurring cost. And the third one goes to all those keywords without any conversions and cost. Okay, now the first thing is we go by conversion. Okay, now take only the converting keywords to a new sheet. Copy the whole converting keywords to a new sheet. You can delete also 3, 4, 5. Select the 3, 4, 5 row, control minus. Select the whole 3, 4 minus. So now you can delete even the first row because it is just enable. Select all the first column.
This one, right?
First column. Control minus. Okay. Now you take all these converting keywords. How do you take all these converting keywords? Okay. The first thing is go to the select the whole this one sheet. Remove the filter. Okay. Now go to the data. Sort. First put the parameters conversion. Sort by conversions. Conversion 1 per click. Yes. Then you add one more add level. One more add level. Then you say get add level. Then you say get cost. Cost. Then the third one is impression.
This
No, that one we'll do it later at the last we do. Okay. Impression. Then everything is largest to smallest. Okay. Now go to put a filter now. Okay. Now select remove all. Go to the conversion tab. Okay. Now open the filter. Click on the filter option. Yes. Remove the 0 one. No. Select all. I'm saying you need to remove the 0. Remove the check mark from the Okay. Now copy the whole thing. No, with the header. You should always copy with the header. Control C. Put it in the new sheet. And say this as conversion keywords.
Documents.
Documents.
It's already there.
Version?
This type keyword automation. Like now define the sheet 1 name as conversion only. Okay, go back to the raw sheet. Now delete all those from the 3 till the last. Okay, now open the filter again. Now select only, okay, now again put the filter. Now remove, go to the clicks option. Click on the filter and remove the 0 1 here. Okay. Now take all these keywords and put it in the next tab of the other sheet saying cost or a click only with the header. Next one. After writing, okay, save it here. Save it here. change and then after you change, just click on the outside tab. Click on the outside. Outside. Okay. Clicks on it. Cost. Clicks on the without conversion.
CONY is enough.
Now go, now delete that one also. This one also delete. Now, what is this keyword? This is only those keywords with impressions. Okay, Control C and paste it on the other side.
This one, the ratio that higher impressions and lower clicks will be considered as bad. And the ones that have a lower ratio between impression and clicks will be considered as potential.
Okay, now what is the first one? Conversion only.
Yeah.
Yeah, the conversion only. Click on that one. Now you have already ordered this one in descending order. Yeah. Now once you have figured out all those keywords which is converting, all those keywords only cost consuming, all those keywords with impressions and everything, now you have to go to the first tab, conversion only. Now in the first conversion only, what you got to do over here is, first, any conversion related campaign doesn't only go with number of campaigns. They always for sure should be having a target CPA to achieve. Because there is a lot of difference between when you are trying to get or acquire one conversion with a CPA of 1000 rupees, then to one conversion at a CPA of 10 rupees. Okay, 1000 CPA, one conversion. What is the cost here? 1000 rupees. What is the cost here? 10 rupees. When I say CPA is 1000, it means you have spent 1000 rupees to acquire one conversion. Same way here also, when the CPA is 10, it means you have spent 10 rupees to acquire one conversion. But the client is saying you have to spend 500 rupees to acquire one conversion. Means you have to optimize it in such a way that you get one conversion at 500 rupees spent. Now for that one, now what you did, you first put the table and you segregated the sheet from conversion to cost only to impression. In this conversion now, we came to know all the keywords with conversion. Now the game of CPA comes here. Descending order by CPA. Just like put the Z conversion, cost per conversion.
This is the one, no? Cost per conversion.
Yeah, just put on ZA down arrow key.
ZA.
Yeah, up. Everyone.
I didn't get you.
Yeah. So these are all those keywords. These are all those keywords with CPA, starting from the maximum, going down, going bottom towards the minimum. Now the client has told, I want CPA of 500, but what is the first CPA here? 900. So what you have to see after you have decided. Now every sheet has something called good, bad and potential. What is good over here? All those keywords which falls below to this targeted CPA. Bad is all which falls above to this targeted CPA. And potential are those which are very close, little bit above, little bit below to the targeted CPA. Now 906 over there. Now the second thing, from here everything is related with position. Now go left hand side. Yeah. Now the first one, the CPA is what? The CPA is 900 and the position is also good, 4. 4 means you are showing up on the right hand side of this one. Now what you got to do is, you got to reduce the bid so that you reduce the position and you reduce the spend so that the CPA will also reduce.
So max CPC.
Yeah. So you have to either play. So to reduce the position, what you got to change? You have to change max CPC. Okay. Now imagine you did the changes. Okay. Now go. So you came to know what are the bad one. You optimize that one. That's over. Now you come to all those. Now you put a filter again. Put the CPA, CPA. Now what is your target CPA? 500. Correct? Now click on that filter option. Say number filter get less than 500. So what happened here? Now you are optimizing all those keywords which fall in your given bracket, in your target given. Now in all those things, so first of all these keywords are good because they are falling within your target CPA. Now what you got to optimize over here? You got to optimize the position for those keywords. Now what you got to do here is you are going to sort it out by position. By position. Click ZA. Now what does it tell you? All those who are in the position of 1 to 4 are always good. So don't touch all those keywords which are in 1 to 4 position. But all those keywords which are more than 4
Increase.
to 10
Increase
and
it.
they are within the targeted CPA, try to increase the bid for them. So that they will at least come to a good position and hopefully with that they will start giving more conversion with less CPA. Yes, the same thing. Now this is what is done. Now what is potential? Potential is something like, sometimes you can have potential, or else we have covered the potential in this only. See, if the target is 500, I can do one thing. I can
the same range.
I can say 700 to 500 is my potential keywords. 500 less is my good one, and 500 above is my bad one. More than 700 is my bad one. So this is how I divide and this is how I optimize. And how do I do? After I have segregated in this parameter, then I compare the average position, then I try to do the changes with the max series. This is what the same way you have to do it for cost, the same way you have to do it for impression. The keyword with highest impressions and no clicks means it's completely irrelevant, so directly pause it. So much impression is coming, but no click is happening. Either the ad copy is not relevant or else the keyword is not relevant, so directly pause it. In the same way, in the clicks also, you have to create the same parameter. This is how you got to optimize the campaign. In all those things, position is, in all those things, position is here, and your max CPC is here. And for a CPC based campaign and for a CPA based campaign, you have to consider conversions, CPA, conversion rate also. Here also clicks, CTR, CPC. First you have to descending order. In everything you have to play as descending order. Do it descending order first by this one. Segregate the keywords based on the CPA and everything. And in all those things, always good. You maintain different sheets for a given category so that you can optimize it accordingly. Okay. Thank you.